why you shouldn't generate leads with Facebook forms. And I'm sure many of you are making at least one of these mistakes. Najim Morabit here, a digital entrepreneur and investor with over a decade in lead generation. My innovations are used in over 75 countries, and today I'll share what I've learned from my own experience. Alright, let's go. First of all, you should never generate leads with Facebook forms if you let Facebook auto-optimize for quantity over quality. Here is the deal. Not all leads are created equal. Don't let numbers manipulate you. There is a huge difference between leads and sales. Okay, so here is what you need to do. Merge your campaign data with live feedback from your sales team. This isn't just about tracking, it's about smart decision making. By doing this, you pinpoint which ads are not just catching eyes, but catching the right eyes. And here is the key point. Once you find ads that work, invest more there. Don't chase any leads. Focus on the right ones. Maybe you know this, but I'm sure you don't know how.
Please continue.
So you should never generate leads with Facebook form if you are not testing different creative elements. So let me show you some examples. Testing a data-driven headline against an emotional one. Trying different calls to action. There is another one. Testing the length of your forms or your captions. Or trying the different formats we know, like carousels, stories, videos, and images. Or maybe you can try some changes in different levels, like targeting different audiences. All of this can only prove that small changes can greatly boost your conversion rate. So keep testing and optimizing. Now, you know that speed is everything in lead conversion. So again, you should never generate leads with Facebook forms if you're slow to follow up. Quick fact, contacting leads within 5 minutes can double conversions. Why? Quick follow-up, grab interest when it's hot. Wait too long, you lose them. And they even may forget they fill out your form. Leads turn ice cold fast. So quick action is the only way to show that you care and boost trust that sells. So act fast. Show your leads they matter by being the first to reach out.